Welcome to our channel. If you want to format your old phone for resale to protect your personal data and ensure the device is ready for a new owner, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Back up all important data, including photos, contacts, and documents, to a cloud service or external storage. Step 2. Remove your SIM card and memory card from the phone to avoid sharing your personal information. Step 3. Sign out of all accounts including Google, Apple, email, and social media accounts. Step 4. On Android, go to Settings, select System, then tap Reset Options and choose Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Step 5. Confirm the factory reset by entering your PIN or password. The phone will erase all data and restore default settings. Step 6. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Erase All Content and Settings. Step 7. Enter your Apple ID password to disable Find My iPhone and confirm the reset. Step 8. Wait for the reset process to complete. The phone will restart and display the initial setup screen. Step 9. Verify that all personal data has been removed by checking the phone. Step 10. Clean the phone physically and include the original box and accessories if available to increase resale value. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.